Now this illustration deals with a disconnection or disconnecting the control circuit as well as the power to the motor. Now there are two sections that we deal with here. 430.25 on page 322 and 430.113 on page 327, as you see with the call out here, disconnecting means for control transformer. Now, basically, what this section calls for is that you have a disconnecting means for both the control circuit and the motor, or if you just disconnected the motor with the control circuit still energized to that control transformer, a person could get into the controller there and get into an energized circuit there unaware that it was even energized, and depending on the voltage, could receive a bad electrical shock or maybe even a fatal electrical shock. So along with 430.113, say that you had a disconnect and you disconnected the power to the motor, but you had auxiliary contacts in the disconnect that would disconnect the controller, that would be all right. You would be in compliance with 430.113, see. So this is just showing in this figure 18-55 here that we do have to have disconnection of both the control circuit and the power circuit simultaneously in a way that there would be no energized conductors in the controller to the motor. So that's what this illustration is illustrating in section 430.75 as well as 430.113.